Hello guys, welcome back to this English course on nouns. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about compound nouns. They are very common in English and there are thousands of them. You need to know about them. Let's get started. A compound noun is made up of two different words. So you take two words, you put them together to create a new noun. They're usually quite easy to understand. For example, full moon. Full is obviously the adjective describing the moon. Let's take a look at other examples and how to create compound nouns. Sometimes compound nouns are a single noun, like toothpaste. Sometimes there are two or more words hyphenated, such as mother-in-law. And sometimes there are two separate words, like ice cream. Now, you have to be careful. Sometimes you have a simple adjective plus a noun, like a greenhouse, but you also have a compound noun which has a different meaning, a greenhouse. Now, a greenhouse is a house which is green. But the compound noun, a greenhouse, is a place where you grow plants. Completely different meaning. Okay, so you have to be careful. Stresses can help. Usually the stress is on the first syllable in compound nouns. Okay, I hope you get it, guys. Let's take a closer look now at compound nouns. Okay, let's now take a look at the parts of speech that make up a compound noun. We can have a noun and another noun, like bedroom. We can also have a noun and a verb, like haircut. A noun and a preposition, like passerby. A verb and a noun, like washing machine. A verb and a preposition, like drawback. A preposition and a noun, like underground. An adjective and a verb, like dry cleaning. An adjective and a noun, like software. Or a preposition and a verb, like input. As you can see, guys, there are so many ways to create compound nouns with different words. Now let's get back to our examples for pronunciation. Please repeat after me. Bedroom. Bedroom. Haircut. Haircut. Passerby. Passerby. Washing machine. Washing machine. Drawback. Drawback. Underground. Underground. Dry cleaning. Dry cleaning. Software. Software. Input. Input. Good job, guys. Let's now move on to plural compound nouns. So when we want to make compound nouns plural, there are rules to follow. If you have a single word, you simply add an S. But if you have separate words, whether hyphenated or not, you will make the most significant word plural. Let's take a look at examples. Newspaper will simply be newspapers. So I have many newspapers. Swimming pool. Now, what's the most significant word? Well, it is pool. So we will say there are two swimming pools. You cannot say there are two swimmings pools. No S, it's swimming. Brother-in-law, what's the most significant word? Well, of course, it is brother. So you will say, I have 2 brothers-in-law. And finally, woman doctor. Now, what's the most significant word? Actually, both words are significant. So we will both make them plural. Remember, the plural form of woman is women. So we will say 4 women doctors work at the hospital. Let's work on pronunciation. Can you repeat after me, please? I have many newspapers. I have many newspapers. There are 2 swimming pools. There are 2 swimming pools. I have 2 brothers-in-law. I have 2 brothers-in-law. And finally, 4 women doctors work at the hospital. 4 women doctors work at the hospital. Good job, guys. Now let's move on to practice. To practice, I have a few sentences, and I want you to tell me if we are using compound nouns or not. Let's take a look. I want to drink some cold water. Is cold water a compound noun? What do you think? It isn't. Cold is a simple adjective describing the water. She has a new boyfriend. Is boyfriend a compound noun? Well, it isn't in this case. He's your friend and he's a boy. But the compound noun boyfriend in one word exists and has a different meaning. Then your boyfriend is more than a friend. He's the boy you're having a relationship with. Other example. The bluebird was singing in the tree. Is bluebird a compound noun? Not in this case. It's a simple bird and it's blue. But the compound noun bluebird in one word exists. It's a specific bird. Let's meet at the bus stop. Is bus stop a compound noun? What do you think? It is. And finally, I have 2 alarms clock. What about alarms clock? Well, it is a compound noun, but there is a big mistake. Can you see it? Of course, the plural form. The plural form is not alarms clock, but alarm clocks, because the most significant word is clock. Okay, guys, let's move on. Thank you for watching. I hope you better understand compound nouns and how to create them. There are so many compound nouns in the English language, but they are usually very easy to understand. And if you're not sure, look it up in a dictionary. The dictionary will tell you if it's a compound noun or not. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next videos. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you've liked it, please show me your support. Click like, subscribe to our channel, put your comments below and share the video. See you! Thank you for watching and please watch the other videos. I just hesitated at the end. I didn't know how to end it. I don't know how to end it. What should I say? See you in the next video. That's very nice. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you better understand compound nouns and how to create them.